Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together as we dive deep into the world of TikTok growth and how to collaborate with brands. Whether you are a content creator aiming for stardom or a brand looking to harness the power of TikTok, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right into it. It all begins with growth. The more followers you have, the more effective all of your efforts will be. Here are 3 essential tips to help you grow your TikTok account. Start your videos with a question to pique curiosity and use suspense or pattern interruption every 5 seconds to keep viewers hooked until the end. This technique helps maintain your audience interest throughout the video, increasing the chances of them liking, sharing, or following your account. Don't lose hope when engagement dips or ideas run dry. Consistency is key to getting in front of a new audience and growing your account. Remember, TikTok rewards creators who consistently produce content, even if it feels like your efforts aren't paying off immediately. Sticking with it can yield significant results over time. Once you find your secret sauce, stick to it. Create more videos with variations, and the more viral content you make, the faster your account will grow. Developing a unique style or theme for your content can set you apart from the crowd and make your videos instantly recognizable. This consistency helps build a loyal following that eagerly anticipates your next post. Anyone can go viral as long as your content is relatable and engaging. Just be yourself, and the growth will follow. Now that you have learned how to grow on TikTok, let us explore how to collaborate with brands. Collaborating with brands on TikTok can be a game changer for creators. It is not just about getting paid, it is about building lasting partnerships. Here are 4 proactive ways to connect with brands and make your TikTok journey even more rewarding. As your audience grows, brands and influencers will naturally want to work with you. Make yourself attractive by focusing on your growth. The more followers you have, the more compelling your collaborations offer become. Don't wait for brands to come to you. Take the initiative. Collect emails of brands you'd like to collaborate with. Use tools like Clearbit to find decision makers' emails and reach out professionally. Create an influencer press kit to showcase your work, including your follower stats, previous brand partnerships, and examples of your TikTok content. If you are new to partnerships or want to diversify your portfolio, create non-sponsored TikToks about brands you love. This serves as a portfolio, showing brands what you are capable of. Your creativity and passion can grab the attention of potential collaborators. Influencers, agencies like #paid can bridge the gap between brands and creators. While brands might pay a premium, they get access to influencers with a proven track record of delivering results. For creators, working with an agency might mean earning slightly less, but offers the opportunity to collaborate with brands they have always dreamed of. We have seen creators work with around 40 brands on TikTok, earning up to $2,000 per partnership. Signing up for influencer platforms and the creator marketplace has been a game changer. These platforms provide a seamless way to connect with brands and negotiate partnerships. And there you have it. Growing on TikTok and collaborating with brands isn't rocket science, but it does take dedication and strategy. So, keep creating, stay consistent, and you will be well on your way to TikTok stardom. In our upcoming video, I'll be unveiling TikTok marketing hacks that can help you generate income from your content. Be sure to click the subscribe button and enable notification, as well as be sharing valuable insights and tips you won't want to overlook. Thank you for joining us today, and see you in our next video.